So it's pretty obvious we've been in meme coin season now for the past few months, and it's in my opinion that pretty soon meme coins will eventually start to at least fade out in the next few months, and we are going to be going into some new and also re-emerging narratives. So if you don't have 5 minutes to watch this video and learn what those narratives are, honestly, you're just helpless at this point. Let's dive right in. First things first, you can see here on Dune Analytics that meme coins have been just the hottest narrative in the past 6 months. And clearly we can see this. I mean, if we just take a look at a platform, for example, like Nansen, we can see in the past 20 days per these TGEs on ERC20, we can see that the majority of these ERC20 assets are meme coins. Actually, all of these except what I can see is like 2 or 3, with Aether as the number 1 here. Now, a few months ago, actually back in, around April, March, a lot of these were utility related projects that actually had some real world use cases to them. Now, as of right now, and just in the past few months, the majority of these have been meme coins. And some of these are actually just down 66% in the day, 70% down, up 30%. And along with that, I don't believe that the meme coin season will stay around for much longer. Here's why. If we take a look at this, it's actually from Huma Capital. We can see here since the fall of FTX, only 8 coins have broken their previous all-time high against Bitcoin. Now, that's right. Only 8. Now, a side note with this that you should know is that these were projects that were around, pre-FTX times, right? So in that range. Now, a part of these, we have Render, we have Trello, we have Injective, we have Astar, we have SSV Network, we have Ajax, we have Trust Wallet, and BNB. Now, from what you can see here, out of these 8 different coins, none of them are meme coins. So, meme coins have been around for a long time, right? So we have Dogecoin, Sheep, right? These were some of the most popular, right? And Dogecoin was one of the earlier meme coins along with that, which was around since the dawn of, crypto in a sense, right? There's been so many other meme coins that have started pre-FTX times. None of them have broken their previous all-time highs against Bitcoin. All of them have bled against Bitcoin. So I think that's quite interesting to know. Now, a couple of these categories we have here, Render, right? This is the number 1, which is a decentralized GPU infrastructure AI related project, which is a type of space that I'm incredibly bullish on, not just Render, a ton of other projects. And actually very soon, I'm going to be making a top projects to be accumulating right now that are related to borrowing and lending with GPU. Now, next we have Trello. This is like oracles. Then we have Injective, L1, we have Astar, L1, Polkadot related, SSV, we have Coinbase related as well. I don't know much about SSV. Ajax, AI related, Trust Wallet, a wallet token, and then BNB, L1, smart contract type of platform, right? I didn't say any meme coins along with that. So yes, meme coins are hot right now, and your mother is bullish on them. And the market cap of meme coins has obviously grown a lot, but will they come back and continue to grow? And will they have a solid community that will outlast years and years? I don't believe so. So I think meme coins are great to get in and out of, just similar to like a porta potty, right? You don't want to spend much time in it. You just want to get in, get out, and leave quickly. That's kind of my, at least, philosophy when it comes to meme coins. Now, again, here we can see Render, right? When it comes to categories, AI, this is also DPIN related, right? Then the next one, we also have BNB. So BNB, L1, smart contract platform, Trust Wallet, wallet token. We have Singularity Net, or AI related, right? Top AI related project, which will actually be merging into ASI, which I previously made a video on, which you can watch. And then we also have SSV. Again, I don't know really anything about this, but besides Coinbase being involved. Then we have Astar, Polkadot related, L1. Then we have Injective, L1. We have Teller, which is Oracle. So the narratives that I just mentioned, Oracle, DPIN, AI, L1. These are going to be the, continued re-emerging narratives that we're just going to continue to see in the space. None of these have been meme coins that I mentioned. And that's why I don't think that, maybe there will be one project that will continue to do well and, continue to go up. But it's in my opinion that most, if not 99.9% of all meme coins will eventually, bleed against Bitcoin at some point. And it's really these 4 narratives that I think will continue to go up in time. So the AI related ones, incredibly bullish on. The DPIN ones, incredibly bullish on. L1s, still bullish on. And Oracles, bullish on. Now, a thought I've had recently is that we could see these narratives come back in a remix type of sense. So for example, Render, right? This is a distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain type of related project. Now, we could see, so it's a DPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, with the main focus on GPU. So we could see a DPIN related type of narrative come back into the space with a slight remix. So instead of GPU, maybe it's something else. So, honestly, I don't know. But this is honestly something that could happen. We could see, kind of a remix of something that's already come about before. Okay, so where are we right now in the space, right? Where are we in the timeline? So right here in the top chart, we can see the total 3. So if you look up on TradingView total 3, you can see the entire crypto market cap, which excludes the main, so Bitcoin and ETH. So we're really just looking at alts, right? So then in the bottom chart, we can see the price of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has exceeded its previous all-time high, and it exceeded it, right, by, looks like about 6-7%. Now, when it comes to the total 3, so the total market cap of alts, it is actually, it's supposed to be where this pink line is, which may be a little bit difficult to see on this chart, but it should be where this pink line is right now. That's the all-time high, which was actually back in 2021. So right now, alts have not even touched their previous all-time high, let alone exceeded it. And actually, it's still, alts right now are still down 30% from the all-time high. So the total market cap of all alts are down 30% from the all-time high. So we're definitely not in any type of altcoin market right now. It's definitely been a Bitcoin-led narrative in the market, especially with the ETF approval. That's kind of been the major narrative when it comes to this entire rally. So you could argue that we are in, just a different market right now, especially back in the pandemic era. The government was just kind of handing out money left and right. People were at home. They didn't know what to do with it. So people wanted to invest it in different places. One of those places in crypto, right? So a lot of people were investing heavily into risk on assets, considering the US government was just printing money left and right. So we're at a little bit of a different market right now, especially with interest rates right now. But regardless, alts still have around, 30-40%, as the market cap of just alts to actually go up and peak to hit their previous all-time high. So there's still a lot of room for growth in the altcoin market. But at the same time, this is going to be, I think, highly dependent when it comes to interest rates in the US and the future of what happens there. And if Bitcoin can continue to grow and also just exceed the previous all-time high. Because I feel like, now it's been, it has exceeded its all-time high, but it's just kind of hanging around back in that area. So if we can see Bitcoin break this range and actually go out of it, then I think some of the money will eventually trickle down into alts, and alts will continue to grow and hopefully at least hit the previous all-time high, which will be the range of around $1.12 trillion. So let me know what you guys have to think about these narratives that will reemerge in the future. Let me know which ones you're bullish on. And also, if you want to check out my Crypto Gems group, make sure to check out the top link in the description below. That's all I have for this one. Goodbye.